How to add schema markup. I am going to show you how you can add schema markup. Go to Google Structured Data Marker Helper. There are several options listed. This list is not exhaustive. For the sample below, I am going to use articles, since it is one of the most common types of content. If you only have HTML, you can paste that instead, then click Start Tagging. Since displays of content is an article, I am going to highlight the name of the article in order to add name markup. When I finish highlighting, I select Name from the tooltip. Use the list of data items as a guide, and highlight the other items in your article to add them to the markup list. You probably won't be able to tag every item in the list. Just add what you can. Once you have finished, click Create HTML. In the following page, you will see the HTML of your page with the relevant microdata inserted in the spots that you selected. Next, you will go into your CMS and add the highlighted snippets in the appropriate spots. Find the yellow markers on the scroll bar to find the schema markup code. A simple alternative is to download the automatically generated HTML file and copy or paste it into your CMS or source code.